What if I told you this old Sony speaker can stream music wirelessly, just like a modern Bluetooth speaker? Today I'm going to upgrade it using an inexpensive Bluetooth module. Let's get started. Let's open the speaker carefully. Before doing any work, disconnect it from the power supply. Once inside, we will locate the audio input and power connections. We need 5 volt to power up our Bluetooth module.
Looking at the board, we can see Sony already has a 7805 regulator here, right here, to power the internal logic. Now you might be tempted to just tap 5 volt directly from the chip, but I'm not going to do that. That 7805 is a linear regulator. To drop 18 volt down to 5 volt, it has to burn off the extra 13 volt as pure heat. If we add a load of the Bluetooth module on the top of what it is already doing, it could overheat and shut down the whole speaker. So this is 18 volt power adapter, C power adapter, 18 volt DC, and now I'm connecting this to my board directly and check the voltage. So the current voltage is now, see, it is 18 volt, 18 point something something, 18 point 14 15. It's 18 volt DC. We are getting 18 volt here. So this is our regulator module.
Let's do input and output connection to regulator module.
Now here is a mistake many people make. If you solder your bulb directly to the power jack, this one, your Bluetooth will stay on 24 by 7, even when the speakers are off. That is insufficient and cause pairing issue when you aren't using the speakers. Don't just solder to the power jack. I found a switch power point that only hits 18 volt when the speaker is actually on. Now the Bluetooth mode lives and dies with the power switch. You can see here is 18 volt, here is 0 volt. Now I'm switching it on. So now you can see here is 18 volt. So I will be tapping a point here. See, here is 18 volt. It's the same connection. the same track. Disconnecting my power connections. Okay. You can see here is 18 volt. I'm checking if it is getting hit or not. No, it's normal. So here we check the voltage. See, so it's 17 volt. We'll set the voltage to 5 volt.
So we'll try to make it more accurate. So now this is 5 volt.
Now I'm introducing one more small but vital component. Its job is to create an air gap, or you can say galvanic isolations, between the Sony amplifier and Bluetooth module. See, this is the component. It keeps Bluetooth module away from the high-pitched hissing and digital noise generated from amplifier. Without this, that interference would disturb your music. But with the air gap in place, we get crystal clear audio. So this is a isolated, you can say SNPS. It's a power supply, 5 volt DC to 5 volt DC. So the number is B0505S. So now I'm going to mount this on my PCB. Then I will make the connection. I show the complete circuit. So finally we have connected all the boards. This is a power supply module. This is isolated power supply. This is Bluetooth module, and the output of the Bluetooth is connected to the main board, amplifier board. Now we'll on and check whether all the power supply is working or not. So I am switching on this button. Here you can see the power supply is on, passing through this module to the Bluetooth. Now we'll check the audio.
This is complete circuit diagram. You can pause and take a screenshot. I will be mounting these three PCBs on the base here. Here I am putting insulation tape to avoid short circuit with amplifier board.
Finally, we are done with the installation of Bluetooth in our Sony speaker. Let's check out. So The Sony speaker is on now. Now let's connect the Bluetooth. So you can see my mobile here. So I have on my Bluetooth. Here you can see BT 5.0 audio. That is our name of the Bluetooth. So it is connected now. Now let's play the music. Hey, it's working. Thanks for watching.